Bring the next bundle over here.
This one is ready for the cart.
Make sure they are tied tightly.
Looks like a good haul today.
Yeah, they'll be at the factory by sundown. All right, bring it forward slowly now. Wait for the green light.
The flow rate is holding steady at 20 tons per hour.
Keep an eye on the moisture levels at the next stage. Inside the heavy-duty shredding unit, massive rotating shredders crush the sugarcane into fine pulp.
Pressure looks stable at 50 psi.
Flow rate is slightly high on the secondary filter.
The temperature in tank 3 is stable.
Good, the dosing levels look optimal for the current flow rate. The skimmers are highly effective at this temperature.
Yes, the clarity is exceptional today. We are exceeding the target. The pressure is spiking on evaporator 3.
I see it.
Opening the bypass valve now to stabilize the flow. We're seeing some instability here. Check the seed feed.
Looks stable now. The crystals are developing nicely.
We're seeing excellent growth uniformity at this temperature.
I agree. The target size has been achieved.
Here you can see the white crystals forming as the molasses is spun out. The speed must be precise.
We need to adjust the flow valve on line 4. Copy that, adjusting now. The bricks is still rising.
All indicators are green. The process is stable.
Confirmed. The conductivity is within acceptable parameters.
The concentration rate is perfect right here. Yes, we are maintaining optimal vacuum pressure. Check the consistency on this batch. Looks good, very uniform.
The reading here suggests a slight variance in the granulation.
Let me see. No, that falls within the acceptable parameters for this grade.
The humidity levels in silo 4 are fluctuating again.
I'm adjusting the pneumatic pressure now. That should stabilize it. The sensors are clear on batch 42.
Confirmed. Purity levels are stable.
weight distribution on layer 5 seems slightly off.
It compensated on the next layer. The stability index is green now.
The automated system applies the final layer of high-speed stretch wrap, ensuring maximum stability and security for transport.
We're showing full clearance on the sugar shipment.
Good, push it to dispatch immediately.
Gate clear. Send the next one. Watch the barrier.
Dock 4B is clear. Bring the first pallet out.
Copy that, moving now.
The southern region shipment is diverting now.
Confirmed. ETA remains unchanged.
Straps are tight. Confirmed. Shipment complete. Okay, that pallet is fully scanned.
Great, let's get it to aisle 7.
Điểm sáng có nghĩa là một nhiệm mình được ta thẩm hóa pro đơn na mình jam ngón lưỡi hìnhสิ่งสี่ได้ยังสองทางทุนดาดนิ่งก่อนทมที่
Aquí grande que del lado propienda que es porque ruta si se dan viteñan aquí en vierte pero en la sande. Darlos el bien o San Mutter del demoso te.
All right, sir, here are your bags. Have a nice day.
Thank you kindly. You too.
Oh, excuse me. No problem. Have a nice day.
The flow rate on line 3 is dropping.
Yes, I see it. Adjust the crystallization sequence remotely.
These massive boilers generate superheated steam, driving the turbines at high speed to power the entire plant.
Sealing integrity is at 99.8%.
Excellent. The calibration adjustment worked.
Ensure the bill of lading is updated for the Djibouti shipment. We need customs clearance by 1400 hours.
Okay, lower it gently. Watch the stack on the left.
Confirmed, lowering now.
Confirming descent on Bay 3.
Copy. Bay 3 is clear. Synchronized loading confirmed. Clear the bay. We have movement.
Jaldi Kuro, we need that cleared now.
Twende, confirm the next drop.